Hello, All Stars. Today is Monday, September 27th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. Wow, we have Saturday's card. Wow. Sunday's card. There are those popsicle sticks again. Can you guess what might be on our card for the day? Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. We have our actual number frame. We have a group of 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 dots on our number frame. Fantastic. We are now going to go into our days in school. We've been adding on a lot. Wow. We're adding another day, which now makes 10, 15, 16, 17 days that we've been in school together. Wow, we spent a lot of time together. Let's actually see how you make the number 17. I'll put one example down, but I'd like you to write some in your math notebook. I'm going to put 10 plus 7. What can you use to make that number 17? Fantastic. Fantastic, dears. We are now going to go into our graph calculator to figure out how we are going to count our coins. Remember, pennies are worth 1 cent and nickels are worth 5 cents. Good job, good job. Let's click our spinner and find out what we'll do for the day. Here we are in a brand new week, so let's see what happens. Big coins, let's go. We have 1 penny that we are adding to our collection for this day. 1 penny. We'll have to collect more throughout the rest of the week. As we continue to talk more about our number corner, we are going to actually focus on a few things. You have been doing an amazing job of counting, and I want to challenge you, dears, to continue to practice skip counting. And we're going to practice skip counting by choose today on our number line. So I'd like you to join me. Let's skip on the first number and say the second number. So we'll skip this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now, do you think we can skip count going backwards? All right, dears, you did an amazing job of skip counting. Now, I would like you to actually practice counting by ones going backward from the number 30 all the way to the number 1. We're only counting by ones this time. Can you do that with me? So we'll say 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. Fantastic job, All Stars. Amazing work. Amazing work. We are now about to continue practicing our activities. I want to take you through a few quick things, and it won't take long. We're going to pull out, since we had 17 days in school, can we pull out 17 blocks? That's our group of 10. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a way to show 17 blocks. Great job, All Stars. Great job. I want you to keep practicing and keep working at these numbers. The more we practice these, the more we will get better and better and better at counting. Have an amazing day, All Stars. Talk to you soon.